Anyways, folks, years ago, remember when Bling was in? And they used to sell this stuff at like gas stations or the market. I'm talking like this stuff's like over 10 years old, man. It's got to be like, you know what I'm saying? It was cheap. And actually, anyways, I don't know what I'm doing with it. I got some of this right here. Pine, what's it called? No, Fine Jewelry Cleaner from Amazon. I just kind of want to see if it works or not, you know? Give it a little test here. Move this shadow. Okay, the directions say leave it in for 30 seconds, then rinse thoroughly with warm water. So let's see what happens here, man. Shake that around a little bit. Let's see what happens here. I don't know, can you see a difference there? I don't know, man. It still looks gray to me. What do y'all think? Does that stuff work? Did I waste my money? And just for the fun of it, folks, I want to pull out some of this old Bling jewelry I have from like the... Alright, look at this little thing. Cobra. Look at that. Come on, they used to sell this stuff at like gas stations. You know, I can't... What was I thinking? This is some like basketball. And they don't even sell this stuff no more. Look at that. That's pretty cool there, man. Like some kind of a basketball or something like that. I don't know what the heck. But it looked good when it was brand new. It was shiny. You know, that's it. Just a whole bunch of old chains. Remember these? The Bling from the 90s or 2000s? Yeah, remember they sell the big crosses and everything? Look at that. Look at that big cross. This is like supposed to be fake gold or something. I'm just laying all this stuff out here, folks. Memory lane. Not that I was anybody back then. What the heck is this? Is it another cross? I think crosses were big back then. Look at that thick chain. Look at that big old thick chain, the cross. This stuff looked good though back in the day when it was shiny, man. I ought to sell this stuff. Y'all want to buy it, let me know. You can't buy this. You can't find this stuff now, man. Nobody sells this stuff no more. Here goes another cross. I think there used to be a piece up there that broke off. What the heck this is? I think that's something else. That's a woman's thing. Here's another cross. They don't have to worry about vampires coming to my place, man. This cross all broken apart and everything here. Hey, even I remember this one here, like Puerto Rican boxing glove. This thing looked pretty cool back in the day. It was chrome, shiny, you know. Some more crosses. Hey, this is more chains. Another cross. This thing was dope back in the day, though. I don't know why it got so many crosses. I don't even go to church anymore. More chains. There's like miniature crosses. Dang, I have so many crosses for. But anyhow, folks, that's my Bling, old Bling collection. Want to buy them? Let me know, man. $100.